Did you know that 21 vowels are made of only? 안녕하세요. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm Henny from Korean with Henny. I am a native Korean speaker. I was born and raised in Korea, and I've been teaching in Korea for many years. I'm really interested in learning a foreign language. I can speak 4 languages. As a foreign language learner, I know how hard it can be to learn a foreign language. However, as I learned 3 foreign languages, I found out the easiest and efficient way to learn a foreign language, and I want to share that with you guys in Korean. Alright, so my first series is about Hangeul, the Korean alphabet system. Hangeul is a really scientific and excellent writing system created by a king named Sejong. Once you learn Hangeul, you'll get much more confident in writing, reading, and speaking in Korean. So, are you ready to learn Hangeul? Let's get started! Hangeul consists of 2 components, consonants and vowels. Today in this video, we're gonna first learn vowels. There are 21 vowels and 19 consonants. Now, don't freak out. I told you that Hangul is a scientific writing system, right? So there are rules and system there. So once you know one rule, you can apply that rule to other alphabets. Out of 21 vowels, today we're gonna learn 10 basic vowels. Did you know that 21 vowels are made of only 3 components? Sky, human, and earth. Okay, human is a vertical line, like a standing human. And earth is horizontal line. Human and earth themselves alone are vowels. And sky alone is not a vowel. It is attached to human and earth to make different vowels. Okay, so human sounds E, E. And earth sounds like Look at my mouth. When you see something yucky, you are like Remember that. Okay, and let's start to make combination of these 3. First, human. When sky is on the right side, it becomes A. But we don't write it like this anymore. It was used in the past, and we have to draw a line between these 2. Okay? A. A. Sky on the left is O. O. Right. And the earth. When sky is above earth, it's O. 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 And when sky is below the earth, it's U. 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 E. A. O. I. O. U. Okay, and another magical things happen here. You can add another sky, so 2 skies on human or earth. This is A, right? But if you add another line, it's Ya. You add Y on the front. Ya. A, Ya. If you add another sky, 2 skies, it's O, Yo. Good. Yo. Korean alphabet is really scientific. A, Ya, O, Yo. Let's move on to this one. Can you guess what I'm gonna write? Okay, I'm gonna write 2 skies above earth. O, Yo, that's right. Yo, yo, yo. Good job. And at another sky, two skies on the bottom, it's you. That's right. U, you. U, you. Good job. You, good. 아, 야. 어, 여. 오, 요. 우, you. And 이. Good job. One more time. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. Actually, in Korean vowel system, there is an order. I want you to repeat after me. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. Once again. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. Now it's time for you to practice. A key for learning a language is the repetition and practice. And you can download my wonderful worksheet from the link below. In the next lesson, I'll talk about basic consonants. Okay, see you next time. 안녕!